Dave, we're really excited to talk to you. And for those viewers who aren't familiar with Dave and his role in our show and in our work, he is the legal expert that we turn to because believe it or not, there are certain legal issues that we as paranormal investigators and as broadcasters run into. Dave is our go-to legal expert. He's a lawyer. And Dave, tonight we're talking about time travel, and we just want to ask your legal opinion on some matters related to time travel. Is there anything that sort of like jumps to mind as you think about sort of what some of the legal ramifications might be of people going back or forward in time and doing whatever?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of this depends on what you do when you're time traveling. If you're just going back in time to be like a little passive observer, there are some theories out there that you could disrupt the future, step on a leaf, or like eat a sandwich, or pick up a newspaper, and you can change the future by doing stupid little things. But
is it possible that Alex and I could sort of go back to a time before we owed you any money and sort of plant our flag at that point and say that sort of in the future we could sort of start fresh, and then therefore those fees would be negated?
Yeah, that's a fascinating idea, but to do something like that, you'd have to be operating on the baseline that I was a fucking moron, and I am not a fucking moron. So if you ever did that to me, I would go and find the past version of you and cut both of your balls off, and then I'd shove them down your throats. So that's kind of like, that wouldn't really work out.
Food for thought. Let's hang up.
Yeah, let's hang up.
Nice talking to you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dave. Thanks for the info.
Thank you.
It's kind of funny, and by the way, Dave, every time I see a helicopter fly by tonight, I am going to be thinking to myself, I better hide my balls.
Yeah, I don't want your balls cut off. I don't want my balls cut off.
Yeah, and I don't want I flat out don't want your balls.
Well, so that's what she said.